Hey friends, Megan Elizabeth here from ByMeganElizabeth.com, and I'm really excited to make with you for a little bit today. We're going to have a little bit of fun together, and I'm going to show you something that I did really quickly in a video, and now, or I showed it really quickly in a video, but now I'm going to actually make something with it. So I am excited. I'm going to customize it to go along with my office / desk situation. I'm going to show you what it is. And Lotsa.Style was cool enough to even give a custom discount code. They did send me the product, but I'm not getting any commission off the discount code. It's just something that's a benefit to you. So use it up. I provided a link to the Amazon store, and then when you check out with this item, you can do a 30 by Megan E and get a discount. Pretty cool, huh? So I wanted to share this with y'all today and show you what we're going to be making. As you join in, would you give me a little hello, a little what's up, a little heart, a little like, a little share? I want to know what you're up to today. And I also just want to say today was the last day of our Cricut Joy giveaway, so we're going to be announcing a winner later tonight, and I'm really excited about that. So I just wanted to give you that heads up. So I'm trying to see if that's working. I think it is. Okay, so I hope you're doing really well. We're going to switch over the camera view. There we go. That's the one I was looking for. Okay, so what I have is the Lotsa.Style. This is the mini waste bin that I think is really cool. They have different colors and they have a lot of different styles on their website. Their website is actually www.Lotsa.Style, and you can check out what all they have. But if you follow the link in the comments or in the description of this video, you can actually get the discount code to grab it yourself. So any little discounts and fun things that we can be doing for ourselves right now, I think is always a huge benefit. And I just shared that the wrong way. Hey Megan Edwards, I'm glad you're here. Let me see. Can I do this the other way? Let's try this. There we go. That's the way I want it to do it. And that way you can actually use and access that link too. Alrighty. Oh good, a lot of people are joining in. So we're going to make something today with it. I wanted to customize it using the Echo Park coffee kit. I'm in love with this thing. I'm using it all month long inside She Makes Club. I'm going to get rid of this. We'll put this in the place of it. I just made this over in She Makes Club. I use my Cricut Joy pen. So it says you are strong, brave, capable, and ready. And then this one says let God, and they match each other. And I took out the Forever Young Cricut images. Like I had these frames with this kind of decoration in it forever. Anybody that's followed Above Ruby Studio for the last 10 plus years, you probably have seen them in a video or two, or even maybe were a part of the original tutorial making them. But it was time to change them out. 10 years is a really long time to have the same thing in frames. So I have those on my desk for now. I'm going to find another place in my office. My office needs some serious work. I'm not even going to kid you right now. Oh my goodness. All right. So we're going to use this little bin and decorate it using this kit. I was going to go all in and decorate it with vinyl, but I might still do that later, like for the back side. So here's my situation. You get the bin, you get 100 waste bags to go inside of it. Okay, so you're getting a ton of them. It comes in little rolls. And what you're able to do, it's really cute, is you use the waste bins that come, or bags that come with it. Okay, so you can just pop it in here. But then instead of the bag like slipping and sliding all over the place, you're able to put this over it. One, you're not like looking at the bag like it's this sight, right? I had this like in here right before, but I kind of stretched it out when I pulled it in and out a couple times. So the bag's in there. You're able to tie it up. Your scraps can go in for your weeding and all your little like Cricut pieces. You can actually weed right into here, which is really nice. And it's really flat and compact, so it can actually like go straight up against the wall, which have all kinds of other decorations and things in the way. But like it goes straight up against the wall, and it's not like this big obtrusive trash bin sitting in your space. And I actually really like it at the back end of my desk, which you can't see on camera. But that kind of thing, right? So you get the idea. So it's a really nice little idea, and they have so many other storage things and bins to go with it. The other thing that I liked it for, if you don't want to use it just for the trash situation, I really liked it for my iPad and my Erin Condren notebook. Fit in there really well together, and that can sit back there on my desk to be able to have like handy for with my Cricut Joy, which you can't, I'm going to tilt you a little, hope nobody gets seasick, right back there along the edge of my desk. Okay, so there's like different ways for me to be able to use it, and I thought it could be really cute as a holder for that, so that it's not just sitting like laying flat on my desk. It actually has like a home on my desk. But I don't know, I had a couple of different ideas. So originally I was like, I could do a really cute font with my Cricut that says like hold this or trash bin, and then I was kind of like, well, everything in my office and everything that I'm doing, like if you looked at that, I'll tilt you back again, everything that I'm using to organize on my desk are coffee mugs. So that's why, since I'm using so many coffee mugs to organize my space and my life and my craft room and hold my pens and all of those things, plus the coffee cup decor, I'm like, I should do the coffee thing. So that's what we're going to do today. So I have a couple different thoughts of what I was going to do, and we're just going to play together and see what actually comes of it, because whatever, I'm going to put my glasses back on. I feel like I just can't see right today. Okay, here we go. So I have this, it's actually Starbucks washi tape. Somebody sent this to me. I don't even know if this is like licensed or legal, but whatever. Somebody sent it to me. I did not buy it. I don't know where they got it from, so don't ask. I have absolutely no clue. But a friend had put together a little bin, and it's actual Starbucks cups washi tape. And I was like, this is too stinking perfect to go all the way around the edges of this outside. Like the colors go great. It's all the different favorite Starbucks cups. So, hey Tammy, hey friends, thanks so much for joining in with us today. I was like, I'm using this all along the bottom. So you could decorate really any way that speaks to you. You can use the sparkle washi tape or designer tape. I'm going to try to keep this smooth, and I'm going to use the stickers from the Echo Park kit. So I'm just going to carefully go around the entire bottom with this and kind of see how it comes together. I might need to pull it apart in a couple sections because of the way the sides curve, but we'll see. Right now it's going pretty smooth. I'm just going to go literally right along the entire bottom edge. Oh boy. Ooh, I feel like I got it crooked. Did I? I think I did. I placed that a little crooked right there. Alright, this like was easier in my head, but it's actually not too bad. I just have to like get out the little tiny bubbles like right along the top edge. It's not too bad. Can manipulate it better this way. This is cute. Okay. So you can really make it custom styled to, you know, what works for you. Like I said, I was just live inside She Makes Club in our membership group, and I was like, I'm gonna go live over on the page with this so you all, like everybody can see it. But we did the little frame. I have like Katina, if you follow Katina Martinez, she is redoing her entire office / craft room, and I have such an itch now. Like it's like I'm so like, oh my word, I want to do so many things in here. Okay, So that goes all the way to the edge. I'm going to use the scissors to make it like a clean cut instead of ripping it. But then the backs, like the seams along the back corner. So again, it goes against the wall. You can hardly tell. Like for real. There's just a couple places where it just kind of bubbled a tiny bit going around the corner. But like right there and right there. But that's not bad. It's smooth all across the front. That's perfect. Oh my goodness, I love how that looks. Okay, first of all, I could leave it just like that and be totally happy with it. Could totally leave it just like that. But I was thinking to really make it like cute and mine, I wanted to use this Coffee Makes Everything Possible, but I just don't know if I want it centered or tilted. I'm going to kind of tilt it right there. And then I'm going to take, this is some of the copper, what is it called? Copper trim. I was going to call it ribbon. It's copper trim. It's from Stampin' Up. And I'm thinking if I kind of tie it around the top, the colors are just like perfect. So if I just kind of tie it around here, I'm going to have to use some adhesive to keep it into place. But if I actually do it like this, I can utilize that to kind of hold it. Let me straighten it out a little. I'll use some adhesive on it. Like I said, to really keep it where I want it to be. That ought to work. Are you redoing yours too, Tammy? It's just it's like a fun process, but it's so much work. And I really, because of like all the moves that I've done in the last 5 years, I've just never really settled in with the stuff that I have now. I got rid of so much when I moved out of the big house with the offices and everything. And like I just never really got it back in order. Not that that's an excuse, but I just didn't. So I'm going to untwist this just a little bit. It stretches. So that's nice. Ugh. But I want it to like stay put too. It's like really stuck right there. Come on. Flip. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. And then once I kind of get it on here, I think this is cute. Like this trim goes very much with other things in my office. So if I decide officially what I'm going to use the bin for, if I end up not using it for as a waste bin like it's meant to be used for, I'm going to leave it with the coffee. But if I end up using it as a waste bin, I'm going to probably eventually cut out, I'll show you exactly the vinyl I'll use. This is vinyl from Cricut, and it's like a textured metal, like copper. And again, the copper is like a lot of the color that I have in the rest of the office. It's like copper, gold. I have a lot of the greens, that kind of stuff going on in here. And I really like this sticker. Coffee Makes Everything Possible. Do I want to overkill it? I don't want to overkill it. Just feel like it needs a little bit more like adhesive for maybe the back. If it's going right against the wall, I could just use a tiny piece of clear scotch tape if it goes against the wall. But if I'm going to end up doing anything other than against the back of the wall, I probably don't want to leave the scotch tape. You can hardly see it, but it's there. But that'll keep the ribbon from sliding down. Oh my goodness, I think that's super, super cute. Just even the trim along the bottom itself. I feel like I'm like back and forth with this. Guys, how stinking cute is that? How stinking cute is that? Wait a minute. I wanted to do a card with this. It says Coffee and Joy. Because, I mean, hello, my things. What if we did that? The colors go better. Yep. Coffee and joy. That's what's going to stay on there. All right. Oh my word. I stinking love it. I stinking love it. And it peels off so easily. It's like a nice little plastic, like really, really easy. Just wipe off, clean off. Again, like throw your scraps in, weed into it, like whatever, right? Isn't that so cute? Yeah, I like that way better. Sometimes you just have to play. I didn't really have like an exact plan when I came on live with y'all, so sometimes just pulling stuff out and playing back and forth. I just felt like that pink didn't quite go with this the way I wanted it to. But those are my words, yo. Coffee and joy. It's perfect. Hey, you're eating my pie.
It's delicious.
Is it delicious? Nate just got home from work. You can say hello.
Hi.
And he's eating my pie. There's a banana cream pie that we picked up at Aldi's when we went and did our grocery run. Because, I mean, right now, who doesn't need a little extra treat and sweet in their life, right? Coffee. Okay. Anyway, that is... Ooh, where'd it go? I just threw it. Oh, well. I think the roll just came undone. This is the Lotsa.Style bin, and I do really think it's adorable. So I hope that you enjoy it. Even if I use it just for that with the coffee and like, how cute is that? Like, seriously, I'll post some pictures on Instagram so you can see. And then you can pick up, like I said, use the discount code if you want to buy yourself a little, like, organization and treat right now. It'd be a fun way to do it. Because then you can customize it however works for your craft room and style. You can use vinyl on it. You can just use the stickers. You can see I used the ribbon or the washi tape. And they have different colors, I'm pretty sure. Also, so this is just the one that they happened to send me. And I was like, yeah, I would love to, like, play with one of these because they're stinking adorable. So, and I thought, like, the base color is, like, a nice coffee color, too. You don't really see that too much, but I think it's adorable. Anyway, I'm going to stop saying that. If you have any questions or feedback or anything, let me know. I'd be happy to answer your questions for you or help you out any way that I can right now. Again, you can visit Lotsa.Style, but there's a actual link in the description and in the comments of this video, and then the discount code is there as well. So you have a ton of different options. If you want to go check them out and let them know I sent you over. We're going to have some more fun creating. We're going to be live again on Friday night inside She Makes Club. We're doing an extra live creative workshop, hangout, workout. No, we're not working out. We're going to craft. Our workout is cutting paper. Ready? Grab your scissors with me. We're gonna work out right now. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. That is our workout. We can do the paper curls and the folds and bends, the bends and snaps. Okay, I'll stop. I'll just stop. You all are like, what is she talking about? It's fine. It's fine. I don't know. I think we've all lost our minds just a little bit right now. Like, it's fine. It's totally fine. We're all in this together. Like, let's just create and have some fun. Like, that's where I'm at. We're going to create and have some fun. Guys, I hope you're having a really, really awesome day. I will be live again on Friday night. We're going to do another Tuesday tutorial and other videos really, really soon as well. But I am really excited that you're here. Hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.